make at least $1,000 per day just trading a very simple strategy. Okay, I have never done this. Okay, so I'm teaching my student here, and I've told her we are going to jump into this strategy together, and let's see if we can make $1,000. Okay, guys. So first, we're gonna do it on a demo account because we don't want to lose our money. Okay. Now, before I proceed, let me put a disclaimer here, because I know most people, when they hear money, they get so excited and they forget that you have to practice what we call risk management 101. You don't want to risk more than you can afford to lose, because with any online strategies, trading, doesn't matter what business you're doing online, you can easily lose your money. Okay, you can lose part of your investment or all of your investment. Okay, you could lose zero, zip sada, zero. You could lose zero, or you could lose everything in just one simple, stupid move. Okay, so guys, before you go in and pull out all your savings and think that you're gonna get rich overnight, let me just tell you, exercise risk management 101. Okay, only play with money that you can afford to lose, or money that if you lose, it's not gonna change your life. It's not going to affect your lifestyle at all. Okay, so that is what we call risk management 101, and we teach that in the Smart Wolf Club community. If you're not a member of the Smart Wolf Club community, first of all, subscribe to this channel. Okay, for those of you who are watching on YouTube, subscribe to the Smart Wolf Club channel. It's a new channel. Share and like these videos so that we can reach at least 1,000 subscribers, and we can start reaching many, many more people, so we can start changing lives. Okay, our mission is to help at least 1,000 people to get to the $1 million mark. Okay, some of us have been online since 1999. Many of our coaches are all over the world. We've been to so many places training people underground how to make money online. Doesn't matter what it is, whether it's digital marketing, trading, forex, stocks, options, crypto, which is, of course, the in thing now. Everybody talks about crypto. So if you are being left behind, jump onto the community, and one of our coaches will get back to you one-on-one, okay? It doesn't get better than that, okay? Somebody showing you over the shoulder. Like right now, I'm working with a private student here. She's camera shy, and I am going to show you how we can make $1,000 using a very simple strategy that we have never tried before, okay? So that's why we're doing it on the demo account. And if it works, we're going to put it on our live accounts and we start making money. Okay, guys, so stay tuned and join us for the ride. Okay, first things first, what are we going to trade? Okay, we decided we're going to trade binary options. Okay, why? Because it's quick money. Okay, so we're going to try. The learning curve is very short, but it's very risky. Okay, so the quicker the profits that you get, the quicker the potential to make profit, the faster you can lose your money. Okay, guys, so check with your whichever country you're tuning on, because I know on this webinar we have people from all over the world. We have one of our coaches here, Tajimoto from Tokyo, Japan. He's been with us for over 15 years. We have Karinsis, who's joining us. She's joining us from Berlin, Germany. She's been one of our coaches for over 12 years. Malemala is joining us from Cape Town, South Africa. He has been our coach for over 13 years. Moses from Lagos, Nigeria. He's been one of our coaches for over 15 years. If you go to the United States, we have so many coaches, so many members, so many people who are being trained by our coaches. Jesus Christ. We have from Atlanta, Georgia, Mr. Baker, one of our coaches. He's been with us for over 17 years. We have Jose, if you're in Sacramento, California. Jose from Sacramento, California, over 12 years. If you go to New York, we have Anne-Marie joining us from New York. She's been with us for over 12 years. Now, if you're from Sydney, Australia, Josephine, over 8 years doing this with us. And there's so many of you here. There's almost 1,000 people on here. Let me see by the show of hands how many people are joining us for the first time. We do this live training every week, 2-3 times a week, and we upload these to our YouTube channel. Okay, so if you have not joined the community, please go ahead and join the community. The links are in the description. join the Smart Wolf Club community, and one of our coaches is going to get back to you right away and get you start learning the skills, the strategies that we talk about, okay? And for those of you who want to continue watching our videos, please subscribe to the channel because we upload these trainings every week. We have new trainings coming up, okay? And if you have any questions, please don't shy away, okay? We're here to help you. We're just regular guys, just your next door neighbors, okay? We started a small group in the Telegram group, okay? If you don't like Telegram, we have WhatsApp. For those of you who don't like that, we have a Facebook group. Now, for the Facebook group, you'll be invited. It's a private Facebook group. You'll be invited once you join the Smart Wolf Club. Once you become a member, you'll be invited to our private Facebook group where we share our strategies one-on-one. Okay, and if you want to send us emails, okay, there's an email address in the description, info@smartwolfclub.com, and you can say you want one-on-one, okay, and one of our coaches will get back with you. We are very busy individuals, but I can assure you, just be patient. One of us will get back to you and get you trained, okay? So, guys, what you're seeing here is a platform that we're going to practice this $1,000 per day strategy. Okay, very simple strategy. The platform I'm using here is Pocket Options. Okay, so if you don't have Pocket Options, okay, go ahead and open an account. You can get a free demo account just like we have here. My student has opened a demo account, okay, and we've been practicing on this previously on other strategies. You can see she has about 2,301.02 here in her demo account, okay. She started this account at $1,000, okay, that's yesterday, and now it's at 2,000, so that's over $1,000 made in one day, and this was done yesterday anyway using a different strategy. So today we're going to try this new strategy, which is so simple. So let's see. Hopefully it works. If it doesn't work, guys, then of course that's why we're doing it on a demo account. The reason we're doing it on a demo account is because we have never tried this before. And don't try this at home until you watch this video to the end of the video, see whether we actually make money, okay? So the strategy is very simple. It's going to be using only one indicator. So we're going to remove these indicators that you're seeing here. Here is the CCI. We were using this yesterday. Yesterday, we were using the Keltner channel and the CCI, and we made over $1,000, okay? Just trading for just a few minutes, we were able to make over $1,000. So we doubled this account yesterday. So today we want to grow this account with another $1,000, but we want to try a different strategy, a much simpler strategy, because my student, these strategies that require many indicators have a learning curve, and we want to get you making money profitable as quickly as possible, because this is what we teach, okay? In the Smart Wolf Club community, we teach one of our flagship strategies is called the DGE strategy, which is dreams, goals, and execution, okay? So most people will have big dreams. I know a lot of you here have big dreams. If I ask you what your dreams are, I know a lot of you have big dreams. But first of all, you have to be able to define those dreams, okay? Pick the dreams. Define them, write them on paper, okay, guys, and then set goals, okay? The goals have to be SMART goals. SMART means specific, measurable, attainable, realistic goals, and of course, you have to define the time. So that's what the word SMART comes from, okay? So if you don't know that, join the Smart Wolf Club and we will take you through. We have baby steps where we show exactly how you can define your dreams, how you can set up your goals, and then, of course, the execution. This is the difference maker. Because some people have goals, some people have the dreams, they set the goals, but when it comes to the execution, they are not able to execute. They are not able to get it right, okay? So if you don't execute, dreams are just dreams. So dreams without execution or action, they just become dreams, and you're going to take them to your grave 6 feet under. When we put you 6 feet under, you will go with your dreams. And that's why they say the richest place is the cemetery, full of dreams. Okay, guys. So if you want to learn how to get all that, remove all that vagueness and get your strategies well defined, then you can join the Smart Wolf Club, and one of our coaches will work one-on-one with you. And we are doing this to give back to our community. Okay, you can not afford to pay for our time. Our time is extremely valuable. Most of the coaches are very, very successful. But during the pandemic, we decided, you know what, let's go out and give back to the community, because the master teacher says, if you believe in something, learn, practice, and teach others. When you teach others, your problems will disappear as soon as they start solving their problems. If you help enough people solve their problems, the master teacher said that, your problems will disappear. I'm a believer. Okay, so before we put the strategy on the screen, let us say a word of prayer. Father, in the belief of the power of the Almighty, I pray that the strategy I'm going to teach my student here, and anybody who's going to watch this, if they implement it, they should be successful. In the belief of the power of the Almighty, they shall all become successful. I pray in the belief of the power of the Almighty. Amen. Guys, I don't care what you believe in. Just learn. If you believe in something, learn everything about the strategy, learn everything about the skills, learn everything about the field that you believe in, source of income that you believe in, learn everything. Practice and then teach others, okay? All right, so let's go, guys. So first of all, we are going to clean up this screen here. So remove the Keltner channel by Xing it out and remove the CCI, okay? So guys, these are called candles, okay? For those of you who are new, these are candles. This is the green candle or the bullish candle, and the red candle is the bearish candle, meaning the market starts from down here, it shot up here and closed up here. So it started at a lower price and ended up at a higher price. The red candle means it started from up here and it went down and closed down here. So it kind of went down, okay, from top to bottom, okay? Now, there's these little lines you're seeing on top of both of these candles, like this one here. You can see there's a long line. These are basically wicks, like shadows of the candle. So that means at one point, this candle was up here, but the market pushed it down all the way here. At some point, this candle was down here, and then it was pushed back here and closed right there, just like a spinning. You can see that one there, doji, kind of a doji candle, okay? So you can see there's a lot of wicks, indicating that there's a lot of pressure from the bottom pushing to the, and this one here indicating there's a lot of pressure from the top going down. So basically it gives you an idea. It's what we call market action. We teach all these strategies when you work one-on-one with our coaches. They're going to share all that knowledge with you and make you comfortable looking at these charts, because most people are scared of these charts, but this is very simple if you have somebody showing you over the shoulder one-on-one. My student joined us 2 months ago, and she did not know anything about trading. She didn't know what this is, and now she can literally sing this in her dreams, okay? So guys, okay, so basically what we're looking at here is we're going to trade binary, and we're going to use a very simple strategy, which we've never used before, okay? I just thought about it, and I thought we could try this right in front of the camera, right on a live webinar, and see if we're going to make money. Our goal is to make $1,000. We did that yesterday using the Keltner channel and the CCI with a strategy that we have tested many times, but this is going to be a new one. So it's a challenge for me. It's a challenge for my student. I'm just teaching my student how they can be able to come up with their own strategies, make a strategy unique. Don't copy what some people are doing online. You just go and take it wholesome and start using it, and it doesn't work for you, and you get frustrated because what works for me may not work for you. Okay, even though I've been doing this for many years, I can put a strategy here. We can take a trade at the same time, and I make money and you lose, or you make money and I lose, because that's how the nature of the market is. Okay, it's very, very possible. So you can't just copy somebody's signals. You gotta put some uniqueness in it, make it unique, and therefore that's what we're gonna try to do here. So I thought about using a moving average. So you go to this doohickey here that looks like indicators, like parallel lines. Click on that and look for what we call moving averages, okay? So we're going to look for a moving average. Moving average. Where is the moving averages, guys? Okay, so we are looking for moving averages. Let's push all here. Guys, help me find the moving average. Is there a moving average? Moving averages, where is it, guys? Where is moving averages? Can you guys see moving averages? Moving averages, guys. I can't even see moving averages. Here it is. There you go. Just below the Keltner channel, there's a moving average, okay? And we're going to use moving average. Period is going to be 20. Type, we just use a simple moving average. And style, let's make it thick, 3 pixels, so we can see it clearly. And save, okay? So that's a moving average, okay? So this strategy is very simple, okay? So like you see this candle there, it crosses the moving average going up, okay? So if it crosses the moving average going up, and then we will jump on the next candle. For 1 minute, we're gonna jump with $1,000. If the next candle comes up here is green, we are going to jump for a call option, okay? If this candle crosses this moving average, okay? And the pair we are using is the Euro USD. This is the most traded pair, okay? So we're going to use that. It doesn't matter. We can use anything else here. And the reason why I'm using that is because it's paying 92%, guys. Okay? There are some here which are paying, yeah, they're all paying 92% OTC because it's on a weekend, okay? When we are recording this on a weekend, you can trade binary options anytime, 24/7. That's why you can make. That's why we jumped on binary option. You can make money any time of the day. Doesn't matter. Okay, so this did not close above the moving average, okay? So we are not going to trade this, okay? So let's look for another, okay, let's see if this one closes above, then the next candle starts, we are going to jump in with a call option, okay? Call option here. So you see still they are not closing above, okay? They are closing below the moving average, okay? So that we are not going to take a buy here, okay? So let's see if we can find more pairs. Let's favorite a few of these. These are our assets. We are trading currency pairs. AUD, CAD, AUD, CHF. AUD is Australian dollar versus CAD is Canadian dollar. Just give you guys a quick refresher here. Some of you already know this. You're already in our training programs. I can see a lot of familiar faces and names here. If you're new, like if you're watching this replay on YouTube, please subscribe to the channel so you can learn this. And you can ask questions on the comments, okay? If you don't understand something, you can ask questions on the comments, and we will personally answer some of those questions, okay? On your comments, okay? We are not going to let our VA do that for you. We are personally going to answer. We monitor the comments because we are trying to grow this channel, okay? The Smart Wolf Club. Okay, you can see this one already crossed and closed up here, but we are late into getting in. So we want to get at the start of the new candle, okay? So guys, those are some of the rules, okay? The rules are, this is our strategy. Our strategy is we are going to use a 20 moving average, SMA, you can see right here, it is SMA, okay? We're going to try SMA. If we don't win, we're going to try EMA, because I'm telling you guys, we are doing this live, okay? This is a strategy that we have not used, okay? So, but let's see if we can make 1,000. I want to show you how easy it is to make money online, because a lot of people tell me, oh, I don't know how to make money online. All you need to do is learn these strategies. Okay, guys, so we are trying to see if we can find somebody crossing the 20, one of the assets. Okay, let's bring up all these pairs. They're all paying the same 92%. Okay, I like the ones that pay a lot more, because that way you're not risking your money for. Okay, here we go. There you go. So if this closes above and the next one, we can jump in the next candle. Okay, so that's closing above. Okay, guys, you can see we have 22 seconds to go. 19 seconds to go. If it closes above, we're talking about if it closes above the EMA, I mean the SMA 20, then we will take a call option. But I can see there's a lot of pressure to go down. But if it crosses above, then we are going to, if it closes above, we're going to take a call option and see if we make money. There we go. We jumped in. Okay. We jumped in for $1,000. Okay. For 1 minute. Let's see. Because this, you can see, guys, it crossed the SMA, the moving average 20, and it closed above. So we jumped in for a call option on the new candle, the start of the new candle. And we are still in the money, guys. So, but there's no guarantee, guys. If we make it, we call it a day. You don't need to take a lot of trades, guys. We are just going to take one trade now. If we win, if we don't, we're going to take a second one. And if we don't, we will blow the account, okay? It's a demo account, okay? It doesn't matter. But I strongly believe we are going to make money here because you can see it's still above, but you never know. This is OTCs. This is binary options. As I said, it's very risky, guys, okay? And we are in the money, guys. I think we are in the money, and we are going to make $1,000. Booyah! Boom! You saw that, guys. All right, $1,000. So you can make $1,000 every day. I have just proved it to my student, just using a very simple strategy, okay? I'm going to take you through the strategy again. Strategy is, the indicator is the moving average, okay? That's all you need. You don't need, and the period is 20. Moving average type, SMA, okay? That's all. That's all we need, man. You only need one strategy that works for you. And you don't need to stay in the market for long because you start losing. Just one trade, $1,000. If you make $1,000 every day and you can trade 7 days a week, that is $7,000 a week, guys. $7,000 a week. It doesn't matter if you lose 1 or 2 trades during the week. It doesn't matter. You just lose $1,000, okay? Now, let's say you had only $100 in your account. You can make $100. Okay? You can make $100. Now, we're going to talk about risk management, okay? As we trade, as we continue training here, we talk about risk management, okay? So, if I have $1,000 account, do I want to risk the whole 1,000? No. Okay, we don't do that, okay? You can only risk about one, maximum 5% of your account. That is if you're really good at what you do. Okay? For those of you who have been trading for many years, and those of you who have been training for years, I've been online for many years. Many of my students, many of our coaches have been with us for 17 years. Mr. Baker, Atlanta, Georgia, he's been with us. Now, in Dubai, for example, here, my friend Ahmed has been with us for over 15 years, and he's been doing this with us for many, many years. Okay? When I go to Brazil, Rodrigo's in Rio de Janeiro has been with us for over 13 years trading with us, okay? So he's done this, he's been there, he's seen all kinds of patterns, okay? And he's done all kinds of trades, crypto, binary, Forex, stock options, digital marketing, anything that's online, been there, been done that. So come and join the community and you learn some of these techniques. Now, pocket option is one of the binary option platforms that we use for our students. There are many other binary option platforms like Cortex, okay? Cortex, and I'm putting the links in the description, guys. Go ahead and open those demo accounts. It's free to get a demo account because you need to practice first so you don't risk your money. You just risk the broker's money, okay? Practice first, take these trades on your own, okay, guys? Oh, somebody's saying, can you do it again? Okay, let's try. Let's see if we can find another pair that meets our criteria. Okay, so like this one here, we just missed it because this crossed the line, closed down here, okay? And then it opened up there, started going down, okay? So let's see if we can find another one. So this one here, we will have to wait for it to cross this line, okay, the magic line here, which is the moving average. This one here is a moving average. So if it closes above, then the next candle we're going to jump in, okay? So let's wait until it closes, and then the next candle starts, we are going to jump. If it crosses above that line, we are going to jump in for this call option. If it closes below, we are not going to take. Okay, there we go. We are in, guys. We are in for another 1,000, so we're going to make 2,000. Yay! Are you guys excited? Okay, let's see. Little nervous here because there's a lot of pressure from the top. I'm a little nervous. Let's see. Okay, guys, if you want to join our live training, our live trading rooms, go and join the Smart Wolf Club, okay? Because we share some of these live tradings with you guys every day, okay? Oh my goodness. There's so much pressure, we might actually lose this, okay? If we lose it, I mean, we are still, because we won the first one, okay? So if we lose this, we're just breaking even. But it looks like we're going to win it, guys. We are winning this. We are, oh my goodness, it's close. All right, there we go. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah! We made money, guys. Look at that account. We doubled the account today. Again, yesterday we started at 1,000. We doubled the account. Today we started at 2,000. We have just doubled the account. $2,000 made in how many minutes? Less than 5 minutes. It's because I was talking, right? Each minute, each trade is 1 minute. Okay, let's give it 10 minutes, okay, for the analysis and all that. 10 minutes. $2,000 in 10 minutes, guys. $2,000 in 10 minutes. So in 1 hour, how much money do you think we're going to make if every trade is 100%? And this strategy is almost 100% if you are patient, okay? Because most people don't have patience. And if you keep your greed in check, and if you don't risk more than you can afford to lose, you're going to be profitable. And you can compound your account every single day. So guys, you want to learn this strategy one-on-one, just like my student here? Join the Smart Wolf Club. Okay, first, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our next training. Because our next training, we're going to simplify this, where we're going to actually take a real account, okay, where we're going to exercise what we call risk management 101, because we are not going to lose our hard-earned cash, okay? We are not going to lose that money to the brokers, okay? So stay tuned for that. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share to at least 5 people. 5 people. So that so you can be invited to see the live, so we can see you in the next one. Share to 5 people so they can see the next one, the next training, where we are going to take a real account, or we're going to take a real account from $100. Because most people are saying they don't have $1,000 to risk. Okay, we start from $100. Okay, so we're going to take maybe a demo account from $100 to thousands of dollars. Then we can start taking these $1,000 trades. Okay, but go ahead and practice before we meet. Go practice this strategy. It's so simple. I simplified it, guys. Okay, I simplified it because the pairs are right here. We are using currencies, and it is OTC because we are trading on a weekend. Okay, that is our weekend pastime, training my students. Okay, so right now you guys can see I'm not taking any trades, right? Because it doesn't meet my criteria. So you have to have your own rules. Let's look at another pair, for example. See, this does not follow our rules at all. This doesn't follow our rules. This does not follow our rules. This doesn't follow our rules. Okay, we could wait for this one. Okay, you can see this pair here. This is trying to climb up here. So we can keep an eye here. So you got to be patient, man, when you're trading. Let's see if this comes up and closes above the moving average. We take a trade. We're going to only take call options. We are only taking call options, guys. Don't modify this strategy. Otherwise, you're going to lose. It works very well. So far, we have established that it is working with call options. We haven't tried the sell option, this red button here. Not yet. I didn't try that. So I cannot talk about that. Something that I've not tested. Okay. So right now you can see this big candle shooting up. Okay. So if it closes above this, let's jump in and see. Okay. Let's jump in. There's 14 seconds left. Okay. You have to enable the timer on your candle so you can see the time. All right. So let's see if that works. Let's see. Let's see. If the hands are lost, then we know, you know. There we go. Okay, so we jumped in there. Okay, we jumped in with 1,000 because it crossed. It followed one of our rules. So who are we not to follow the rules, guys? Because most people lose because they don't follow their own rules. You set your rules and you get greedy. The market and you start losing. So right now we are still following our rules, okay? You can see the green candle here, the long, massive, bullish candle here, closed above. Well, it may just hand us our loss. Yeah, because you see now it's coming down. Okay, it's coming down. It's coming down. But let's see what happens. Okay, there's still a lot of shoving and pushing and shoving. If we lose it, it'll be really close. Yeah, it'll be really close. Okay. Oh yeah, it seems like we're gonna lose this one. Okay, so they'll take back the 1,000, but we're still making good money out of it. Okay, there, boom, we got our first loss. Okay, so let's look for another pair, see if we can recoup. Let's look for another pair because that loss gave us our first loss. I mean that pair. Okay, here is another one. No, that's the one where we just walked on. Let's go down here. Okay, let's see this one here. Okay. This one is closing. If it closes above, we're going to take a call option and see what happens, guys. Okay. All right. So I'm excited, man. We're learning this strategy together. Okay. All right. Let's see if this closes above the moving average. Okay. If it does, we're going to jump in for a call option for the next candle. There you go. All right. I'm talking about that, baby. Just close above, baby, candle. Okay. All right. And then we are going to jump in. Yeah. Who are we? Yeah. Just follow the rules. There we go. We jump in. We jumped in. Okay. Let's see if it's going to close above. Doesn't look like because of, oh my goodness, there's some resistance over here. There's a massive wall over there, but let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Is it taking all our profit back? Is it taking all our profit back? One other thing you guys have to learn is that you don't need to trade too much. Once you hit your goal, our goal was to make 1,000, but we have stuck in the market for so long. Now we're going to start losing. It's because we overtrade, okay? But let's see if this strategy actually works. That's the idea. We're trying to prove that this strategy works. It doesn't seem like. Okay, we got a loss there. So now, guys, whew, sweaty. Okay, guys, let's see. Because now we are back to where we started. Okay, we need to make money quickly, guys. All right, so let's see. We're going to have to make money quickly here. Let's find another pair. Let's find another pair that's about to cross the moving average. Okay, no, this we cannot. Okay. Okay, so they say if it crosses down, if it crosses this MA, then we take a sell option. Okay. My student tells me that. Okay. That she thinks it should work the other way around. So, okay, let's risk that too. Let's see what happens. Whew, maybe we're going to blow the account right in front of the camera, man, on a live training. See? Okay, here we go. This one is closing above. Okay, it's trying to close above. If it closes above, we're going to jump in. There we go. It closed above, so we jumped in. Did it close above? Yes, it did. Okay, so we jumped in with 1,000. Okay, so let's see if we win, we go. If we don't, then our strategy doesn't work. If we win, we make profit. We make the $1,000 that we talked about. So maybe we can try again, see if we can double that account. So guys, there's no strategy that's 100%, okay? Somebody is saying, oh, it's losing. Yeah, there's no such strategy that doesn't lose. I've been in the market for years. There's no strategy that's 100%, man. If somebody tells you that, especially with binary option, this is very risky stuff. Yeah, the brokers are going to take your money. So yeah, they're going to make money too. Okay, guys. 4, 3, 2, 1. Booyah! 3,000. So we made the $1,000 that we are talking about. Okay, let's double the account. Let's go to 4,000 and then we'll call it a day. So we did our 1,000 already. We have that money in the bank. Let's see if we can find another pair that's getting close. This one already beat us. It closed before we even got there. Okay, no. If it closes, yes, we jump in. If it closes above this, we jump in. Okay, it's going up. I think this did close above, so I don't think that's valid. Okay, let's look for another one. Okay, here we go. We can wait for this. If it comes up and closes above this candle, we're going to jump in. Simple moving average. It's a simple moving average. It's really a simple strategy, guys. Right? It's a simple strategy. You can look at our chart. Our chart looks good, clean. Look at our chart. Our chart looks clean, guys. It's a simple moving average. For God's sake. No, this should be 1 minute candles, guys. Make sure they're 1 minute. The 1 minute candles, 1 minute trading time. Okay, so the trade time here is 1 minute. Okay, and we're playing with $1,000 trades. All right, so we're waiting for this guy to cross the moving average. So we gotta be patient, guys. Patience is the key here. The master teacher says, "Blessed are those who are patient." Market requires patience. It requires patience. If you're not patient, then you need to get a trading robot that can take the trades while you're away. If you're not patient, you better get a trading robot that's not emotional. And we have robots like those. Okay, there you go. So so that closed above. It did close above the moving average, but we might have jumped in too late. I think so, but let's see. We took a risk with that one. It was a very risky trade. So risky trade might be risky loss. We may just lose our funds, but the market is, let's see. Sometimes it's not forgiving. Okay, you make a mistake, you lose. Okay, so I'm a little nervous about this one, but let's see. We are not off the hooks yet. We are not off the hooks yet. It could just flip downwards because it's so much pressure to go down, but I can see now, I'm almost confident now, we're going to make the money and we will almost get to that $2,000 mark that we had made earlier, recoup our losses, and we are there. Booyah, booyah, booyah. There we go, guys. Almost there. Guys, did you guys see that? Did you just see that, guys? Do you want to join our team and learn some of these things? Okay, join the Smart Wolf Club, guys. Okay? Go and join the Smart Wolf Club. Subscribe to the channel for more of these very simple strategies. Because I know I see some of the gurus teaching you guys. They are all flashy with so many indicators on here, so many bells and whistles on the chart. It's totally confusing. It gives me a brain cramp. Okay? No, we don't want anything like, especially for beginners. Okay? Especially for beginners. You cannot be paying attention to 4 or 5 indicators for a signal, okay? You just need something simple and that works. That's all we need. And you can make enough bread to fill your family to start achieving some of your dreams. Guys, we made over $2,000 right now. You've seen that. $2,000 a day. That's $14,000 in a week. Even if you get 2 losses, if you lose 2 days, you're still profitable, okay? You are $10,000. How many people make $10,000 in a week? How many? Very few, okay? It's probably the 1% in the whole world. We've been to so many countries of the world. Recently, we were in Bombay. Mr. Singh is one of our coaches. He's on here with over 200 people on this live webinar who are learning how to trade binary, stocks, crypto, digital marketing, how to take one simple ad. You put an ad on YouTube, pay $10 per ad, per click. You pay $10 and you 10x that, 100x that. We teach you those simple strategies. But that is something for another day, okay? I don't want to bring all that in here because my student is here. She's focused on binary options right now. Then we go to Forex trading. Then we go to crypto trading. The bread. Crypto is the in thing. Everybody's talking about it. Everybody's talking about XRP millionaires, Bitcoin millionaires. We teach you all those strategies, okay? We teach you all those strategies. Crypto trading, bot trading. And you can trade 24/7, okay? With crypto, the market is not closed 24/7, okay? We use platforms like Bybit, talk about Coinbase Pro, Coinbase Advanced, Pionex. We talk about so many trading platforms. We talk about Mizar. Oh, I put some of the links in the description. Go ahead and check those out, okay? Guys, I'm going to end this video here, okay? So basically what we have done is we've made, in less than 1 hour, we made over $2,000, okay? In less than an hour, okay, guys? In less than an hour, we made over $2,000, okay? So we're talking about $14,000 in a week. $14,000 in a week if everything stays the same and you win and win and win. Do you guys want us to take another trade? Somebody's saying, let me see the show of hands. Let's take another trade. Somebody's saying, oh, do it again if this thing works. I'm going to do it again. We have nothing to lose. We are doing this on the demo account, okay, at the moment, okay? Because we're just testing this strategy. Okay, here we go. Somebody's almost there. If it closes above, I'm going to get a take trade. I'm going to take a call option, a buy. I'm going to give it a buy. The green is a buy. The red is a sell, meaning you want the market. If the market goes down, you're going to take a sell. But right now, this has to close above. If this candle closes above the moving average, you can see every time it closed above the moving average, it went up every time. Except on an instance like this where there was so much pressure going down. So I'm going to teach you some of this skills so you can stay away from trades like this. You see a huge red candle. Okay, you saw a huge red candle. What does that tell you? There's momentum going down. Okay, and it didn't really close below the. It did not close below the moving average. Okay, so this trade was not valid. If we took this, it's gonna give us a loss, and that's why we lost. You remember? So that was a teaching moment for my student. Okay, we go back this video recording and we go through it, and I show them why we have things like that. Okay, that was a teaching moment for one of my students. Okay, guys, I have a call coming in, so I'm gonna end this training very soon. But let's see if this closes above. We're gonna take a call option, and I will report. Yes, I'll report this trade in our next video. Subscribe, hit the like, share, and hit the bell notification so we can show you what happens to this trade. You can see it's already in the money, guys. So we're going to double discount. That is $14,000 in a week using a very simple strategy. You can see we're in the money, guys. We are in the money, okay? So let me end that there, and God bless you. May the Almighty give you success in the market.
I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything